Hey folks, what's up? Mike Benton here from the Mike Benton team. I hope you're doing fantastic. I appreciate you plugging in, checking it out. Again, our goal is to always bring value to the table because we want you to experience the Benton benefit. So today's topic, as you know, we've been hitting the selling side pretty hard over the last couple months. Today is going to be about buying a home. You sell a house, you buy a home. And what I find is most of the time when somebody can't buy a home, it's their own fault. And here's what I mean by that. Calm down, don't shoot the messenger. Is number one, dig your well before you're thirsty. What I find over and over and over and over and over again is that somebody will wake up and say, I'm going to go buy a home. And then they're screwed on the three items I'm about to tell you. So don't. Start today. Even if you say, well, I'm not going to buy a home for a year from now, 2 years from now, 6 months from now, I don't care. Dig the well before you're thirsty. You hear me? All right, here you go. Number one, again, I'm not a lender. I can refer you to some great lenders, but I am not a lender. But this is what I see on a regular basis that I hear back from my lender. Number one, you need low debt to income. All right? Fixed debt, revolving debt, whatever your monthly payments are, has to be a certain percentage of your total revenue based on the loan, based on many variables that a loan officer can tell you. But the goal is that even without the knowledge, shoot for low debt to income. All right? I don't care where the debt came from. Keep it low. You can blame it on your ex. You can blame it on a friend. You can blame it on your spouse. Blame it on your kids. Blame it on your whoever. I don't care. It's got to be low debt to income. All right? So keep your debt down. Number two, you need a high credit score. Say 650 and above, you got to shoot for. Truthfully, you want to get closer to the 740 range. How do you do that? Well, you have to understand that they pull your credit score maybe when you didn't pay down your credit card like you're supposed to, or maybe you don't know when they're going to pull it. So what you want to do is understand that you need to have debt, but you have to have low debt to get a high credit score. You don't want lates. You don't want lates. You don't want lates. And again, I don't care who calls the late. It's going to affect you. So we got to get your credit score up. It could take 6 months. It could take 6 days. It could take 6 years. I don't know. The point is you got to understand you want low debt to income and you want a higher credit score. Number three, you got to get some money saved, folks. You got to get a couple months payments in your bank account that you don't touch. Put them in your savings. I don't care, but you got to get it. Let's say your house payment is going to be $2,000. You want $4,000 or more in your savings account. People say, well, I don't have that kind of money. I understand. That's why you start today. Maybe it's $100 a week you put away. Maybe it's $100 a month. You start with the end in mind. You want these three things to be in sync. Now, there's more to it. You know, you could talk to a lender about getting some old credit removed. That's wrong. You reach out to the 3 credit bureaus. Remember, there's 3 credit bureaus, all right? They're going to focus on the middle one, but the point is there's 3 of them. So what I want you to do right now, if you're thinking about buying tomorrow, 6 months from now, 6 years from now, I want you to dig the well before you're thirsty, and it starts today. Focus on those 3 areas. Give me a call. I can refer you to an awesome lender. They can help you through it. Tina and I will handle the backside of it, and that's finding your home and so forth. But I want you to focus on those 3 things. And you sit there and ask yourself this right now. Where do I stand on those 3 items? If you say, I don't know, and you do the ostrich approach, you're never going to own a home, and it's your fault. It's your fault. Why don't know today? Because it really also, these things help you when you go to do a rental. So please, know where you are financially, because you can't fix what you don't know. So start today. Do these 3 steps. Give us a call. Again, we're not a typical realtor. We don't care if you buy today or buy 6 months from now or 6 years from now. We're still going to be here. We want to earn your business. So hope that all makes sense. Do it. Give us a call so you can experience the Benton benefits. God bless you. Have a great one.